Hello and welcome back to the channel, Savvy Investors of Tomorrow. Are you ready to take control of your financial future, but feeling a little lost in the world of investing? You're not alone. Many beginners in India stumble into common pitfalls that can cost them dearly. But don't worry, because in this video, we're unveiling the top 5 investing mistakes that Indian beginners make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them like a pro. So let's dive right in. Mistake 1, not having a financial goal. Mistake number 1, and this is a big one, not having clear financial goals. Imagine setting off on a journey without knowing your destination. That's what investing without goals is like. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a home, your child's education? Knowing your goals gives your investments purpose and helps you choose the right investment instruments and timelines. How to avoid it? Sit down and define your financial goals. Be specific. Instead of saving money, think saving rupee 20 lakh for a down payment on a house in 5 years. Once you have clear goals, you can determine your risk tolerance and the investment avenues that align with your objectives. Mistake 2, ignoring risk tolerance. Mistake number 2 is ignoring your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance is your comfort level with the possibility of losing money in exchange for potentially higher returns. Some people are comfortable with high-risk, high-reward investments like certain stocks, while others prefer safer, more stable options like fixed deposits or government bonds. Investing beyond your risk tolerance can lead to panic selling when the market fluctuates, which is a surefire way to lose money. How to avoid it? Honestly assess your risk appetite. Consider your age, income stability, financial responsibilities, and investment timeline. If you're young with a long time horizon, you might be able to take on more risk. If you're closer to retirement, preserving capital might be your priority. There are online risk assessment tools that can help you gauge your comfort level. Mistake 3, investing based on tips and hype. Mistake number 3 is investing based on tips, rumors, and hype. In today's information age, it's easy to get bombarded with sure-shot investment advice from friends, social media, or even WhatsApp groups. Following these blindly without doing your own research is a recipe for disaster. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. How to avoid it? Always do your own due diligence. Understand the company you're investing in, its financials, its business model, and its future prospects. Rely on credible sources of information like company reports, financial news websites, and research analysts. Don't let FOMO, fear of missing out, drive your investment decisions. Mistake 4, not diversifying your portfolio. Mistake number 4 is not diversifying your investment portfolio. Diversification is the age-old wisdom of not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, gold, different sectors, and even different geographies, you can reduce the impact of any single investment performing poorly. How to avoid it? Diversify your holdings. Explore different asset classes that suit your risk profile and financial goals. Within equities, invest in companies across various sectors. Consider mutual funds, which are a great way to achieve diversification with a smaller investment amount, as they pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio. Mistake 5, ignoring investment costs and taxes. Mistake number 5 is ignoring investment costs and taxes. Every investment comes with associated costs, such as brokerage fees, transaction charges, and expense ratios for mutual funds. These costs can eat into your returns over time. Similarly, profits from your investments are often subject to taxes. Ignoring these factors can significantly impact your overall returns. How to avoid it? Be aware of all the costs associated with your investments. Compare brokerage plans and the expense ratios of different mutual funds. Understand the tax implications of your investments, such as capital gains, tax on stocks, and mutual funds. Plan your investments in a tax-efficient manner, considering options like ELSS, equity-linked savings schemes, for tax benefits. So there you have it, the top 5 investing mistakes that Indian beginners often make. Remember, investing is a journey, and learning from mistakes is part of the process. By being aware of these pitfalls and taking the necessary steps to avoid them, you can significantly increase your chances of achieving your financial goals and building long-term wealth in the Indian market. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are starting their investment journey, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on personal finance and investing in India. What are some other beginner investing mistakes you've encountered or learned from? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss our future videos. Happy investing!